Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered ISDone.dll error, it is not found any specified file for ISArcExtract error, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is to install the game with administrator rights. So normally this error pops up when you're trying to install a game or playing a game, mostly while installing a game. So let's see how we can run it with administrator privileges. So I have this installer. Let's suppose it's a game. So right click on it and then we'll click on run as administrator. And it's normally a good practice to install all your files if they have the run with administrator option. So now I will install this file and the game should start working. All right. Now if that too doesn't work, then we will try to run it in compatibility mode. So right click and then click on properties, compatibility, and then you click on run this program in compatibility mode for. Now you need to know when was your game released or what is the compatibility version of your game. So if your game predates Windows 8, then you have to look whether it was released around the time of Windows 7 and it specifies Windows 7 as its software requirement, then look for Windows 7. If it's predating Windows 7 and is in time of around Windows Vista SP2, then you need to click on Windows Vista SP2. So you'll need to do a little bit of searching on the internet for the date the game was released, and then you can select the correct Windows version and then click on apply and click on OK, and then you should be able to run the game as administrator. Always right click and click on run as administrator. Now if both of these don't work, then you can run a SFC and DISM scans. So there might be some corrupt files that are causing this issue. So click on run as administrator and then you need to enter the command sfc space /scannow and press enter. I am not pressing enter as the scan takes some time and I would like to keep this video short for your convenience. The next command we need to input is the DISM space /online space /CLEAN hyphen image MIAGE space /restore HEALTH and press enter. Now this will also take some time for this scan to run, and once that's done you also can increase your VRAM. So there's a step-by-step method to increase VRAM. I have published a video on it. You can go and check on my channel for the video, and then that should solve your issue. If it doesn't, then we can do go to some other steps, that is to reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. For that we will search for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download. All right, and then we will click on download C++ redistributables, right? And we will see that it's an x64 base. There are two versions, so we will have to see which one we are downloading. All right, so this is for 2015. All right, yeah, so we'll download for 2015 itself. Click on the download, right? And now we need to see which version to download. Is it the x64 or should we download the x86? For that we can simply check the system information, and I have an x64 based PC, so I will run the x64. If you have an x86, then you need to download the x86 version. So I'll click on download, and now before I install it, I need to uninstall the Visual C++ components. For that I will go to control panel, click on it, and then click on under programs. I'll click on uninstall a program. Look for the C++ redistributable files and then click on uninstall. Yes. And then you need to do this one by one for all the C++ files here. Now once that is done, then you can click on, you can go to downloads, open this file, and then right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then you can click on install, and that should solve the problem. Now if that too doesn't work, then you need to disable your antivirus first while installing the program. So go to virus and threat protection settings. Now if you run a third party antivirus and anti-malware app like Kaspersky, Norton, AVG, then you can open that third party and disable the antivirus there, but I'm using the pre-installed Windows antivirus, so I will go to manage settings and I will turn off real-time protection. All right, and once I turn that off, I will re-register the ISDone.dll file again. So for that, I'll go to command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then I will click enter the command regsvr32 space ISDone.dll and press enter. And after that, I will try to reinstall the game. If this doesn't work, then I have one more option. I will restart the computer in clean boot and try to install the game. So I will go to system configuration and I will click on services. Most importantly, I will check hide all Microsoft services, and then I will disable all the third party services. So you can click all these boxes right up till the top, and you will click on disable all and click on apply. So you have to check all these boxes and disable all of them. Now I am telling you this is because all these third party services might cause conflicts with the installer of the game, and that is why you are disabling all of them. So click on apply, click on OK, and click on restart. Then you can go to the installer, the game installer, and you can right click on it and try to run as administrator again, and you will no longer get this ISDone.dll error or ISArcExctract error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.